Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. So we're going now to present our PPT, which is the Transaction Processing System, which is known as TPS. Scroll down. Sa yun na kayo signal dito sa sir. Uh, what is what is Transaction Processing System? TPS is a type of system that records and manages every business transactions. For example, kung scan ka o payment sa grocery, bayad. So that's the TPS in action. So it handles routine tasks quickly and accurately. Slide 3.
Main purpose of TPS. The main purpose of uh, Transaction Process System or TPS is to collect, store, modify, and retrieve data from transaction in an organization quickly and accurately. It ensures that the day-to-day operations of a business run smoothly by handling routine, repetitive tasks such as sales, orders, payments, inventory, updates, and payroll. Designed to process large volumes of data reliably, a TPS helps reduce manual work, saves time, and maintains accurate records with minimal errors. For example, a point of sale or POS system and a retail store automatically records sales, updates inventory, and may even adjust customer loyalty points when items are scanned and paid for. The real-time process keeps business information current and support efficient operations.
Hello. Key features of TPS: speed, reliability, accuracy, consistency, data storage. I have example for that. Fast process thousands of transactions quickly. Reliable, always available and working. Accurate, no errors in processing. Consistent, every transaction is handled the same way. Stored, all information is saved for future use.
Types of TPS. There's two main types of TPS. First is batch processing, gathers data and process it with later like monthly salary payouts. And second, real-time processing. Real-time processing is instantly process data, swiping an ATM card and seeing your balance update. Next.
TP is in action real world example. The example of a transaction processing system is the ATM machine. It shows the main steps, inserting a card, entering a PIN, and withdrawing a money. The important function of a TPS is that the balance update directly. This show the direct effects of the transaction on the user's account. This instant update is a features of TPS that ensures data accuracy and the real-time processing for financial transaction. Next, please.
So components of TPS. Each step ensures data is handled properly. And so AI-powered features auto-generate captions, which speech recognition remove long silence instantly with AI. So clean background noise using smart filters suggest transitions and edits intelligently. So next slide, please.
Benefit of pag-risk. Ang hapsay nga operasyon kana nagatumi sa sada adlaw nga bulaton og aron mapadayon og hapsay ilang negosyo tapos ang
TPS versus MIS. TPS and MIS are both important. TPS is handle real-time transaction or sales, while an MIS is use that data to make smart business decision. Think of TPS as action and MIS analysis.